going to start with a plain new Google spreadsheet. Go ahead and add a title. We can just call it Weekly Planner, whatever you want to name it. We can say week of and then list the dates so you can change it and update it every week. Now we're going to start in row 1 and add our headers. Weekly goals, task completed, client, tasks. We also have some marketing tasks. Then over here you add a revenue goal and then a percent complete tab. Now in the first column you'll update your top priorities for the week. We'll just pre-fill it with 5 goals, I suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then once you set your weekly goals, you move over to the next column, the log completed task column. And here we're going to do a drop down for this, so just a yes or no. So we'll go all the way down here, go to data validation, add rule. We'll do a drop down. We'll just put yes, no. Yes and no. That's it, and we'll just hit done. And so now as you check them off, you can do yes or no. Next up, we're going to add client tasks and marketing tasks. So these are the tasks that obviously either the client or one of your marketing team members is going to have to do. And we'll just pre-fill those. Whoops. Let's name them C task and M task. 3, 4. These are just almost like note sections to let you know where you are with each one of these goals you have completed. And now at this point, I'm going to add insert a blank column here, because these last two columns, revenue goal and percent complete, are more of a little bit of a higher level weekly review. So right here, you would put whatever your goal is for the week. Let's say it's $5,000. You enter it, format it how you would like, and then that's the goal you're trying to get with these 5 goals you have here. And then the last one is a little percentage complete column. It'll let you track and see how close you're getting to accomplishing all your goals. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the formula to calculate this for you automatically. So we'll go enter, count ifs. We're going to select our range and the criteria. We want to count them if they have a yes. And then we're going to divide that by the number in our weekly goals, which would be the number of our weekly goals. Close that. Should be 0 because we have no weekly goals. Let's go ahead and put a percentage sign here. And then let's say we finish goal 2 first. Now it jumps to 20% because you finished 2 of your 5 goals. Now, if we were to add a goal, the percentage would go down because obviously we added a new goal without completing a new task. And that's pretty much it. The last thing here, we can do a couple bits of formatting here to make things stand out a little bit. But it's pretty simple, and you can copy and paste it and update it every week as you move along with your goals. It's clean, it's simple, and it's 100% customizable. That's it.